What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar, and we are talking about Bluzelle in this video. It is the 19th of September. We are about four and a half hours into the new day, not even 4.5 hours into the new day, and Bluzelle is up 17.7% with some of the most volume we've seen in a while. Looking like if today keeps, either going up or going down or whatever, if we get some more volume, and this could be one of the more significant days we've had in a while for Bluzelle. Looking to be a good week, that's for sure. I like where this low is, right? I really do like where this low is from a closing weekly perspective. We're literally right at this weekly high close. Support area, resistance here, support there and there. Resistance here even, and a little bit of support here on a closing basis, opening basis. We're finding support here now. If we take this relative low to the relative high, not the fake out highs, but the actual high right here, I would say, went right to your 61869 zone. It's perfect, literally perfect. Golden ratio, double bottom. And I wonder, do we have... You do have bullish divergence. You even have bullish divergence on your weekly RSI, where you have a low here, a higher low, and then you have a low here and a lower low in your price. Higher low in the RSI, lower low in the price. That is bullish divergence. Plus, you also have hidden bullish divergence with this low being lower, right? Lower lows here while maintaining higher lows in the price. That is hidden bullish divergence. Bullish divergence here, short term. Hidden bullish divergence over the long term. Both good things that would suggest that we're going to go higher, right? I very much do believe that based off of this low to high here, the next target area would be like 18.7 cents, which is, it's right at this previous area of resistance here, kind of at that support zone, previous areas of resistance here. That would kind of make sense. Going from your 618 to your 382 is a very common thing to do. It'd be nice if we found support on the 0.5, or even better if we could just tear through that zone. But again, don't be surprised if we turn around at like that 18, 19 cent zone. We can do something like that, and that's okay. Even if we pulled all the way back to prices that are below where we are now, that's okay. But that's where I think we're going toward, right? Like something around there. If not, if I'm wrong on the pullback idea, well, I will happily take just a straight moonshot up to the upside, regardless of how it looks in the short term. Long term, I very much do believe, if I could get the right fib on there, I very much do believe that we're going to see prices up at like $1.38, $3.46, and beyond in just a matter of time, right? Finding resistance right at the 886, coming down to your 382, moving on up. I would say that the next time that we interact with this area, we're likely going to break it. And if and when you break the 886, you always look for the 1272 to the 1618 immediate targets. Being that we've been in this kind of range for so long, I think it is fair to assume that we could see deeper extensions being hit. But these are some crazy numbers, right? It gets really crazy after the 1618. We go from 346, we're at 14.8 cents right now, right? We go from $3.46 up to $7 real fast, and then the 2618 all the way up at $50, right? It could go that high. The market cap checks out for the possibility for that capability for Bluzelle. It really could go that high. It could go higher. It's possible. But that is a different conversation for a different time, right? Targets like that. I would say the 1886 might be something that we can throw into the discussion, but I really want you to focus on this zone, the 1272 to the 1618, right? Those are the areas that I believe we're going to when we break above this 886 zone here, right above our current cycle highs, okay? So it's all starting right now. It really is all starting right now. I think it's a great time to get in Bluzelle. It's not too late. Yes, it is up 22% right now this week, but if we take the relative high here to the relative low, you are below your 236. Generally speaking, that's a great time to buy, right? Like if you're looking at a fib range, whether you think it's going to see new highs, whether you think it's going to see a lower high but hit just like a common retracement and then go down, whatever, most traders, a desirable range to buy is below the 236, right? That's really a nice area. Kind of like your last stop would be the 382, but I think this is a fine area, being that, again, you're bouncing off of a relative 618 from... Is it this high to low? This low to high? Yeah, this low to high, relative 618 there. I expect great things to come from this over the coming months. So, yeah, man, it's go time for Bluzelle. Let's see. Weekly RSI looking great. Daily RSI looking really great. 4-hour RSI is off the charts. There we go, man. Looking strong, yes. Love seeing the volume come in. I wonder if there was any like good news or something that happened. I don't know. Bluzelle. Go to news. Nothing new. It's just pumping, man. It's just pumping for whatever reason. I don't know. I couldn't tell you. Somebody was keeps trying to say in the comments that Bluzelle has nothing going for it, but they're literally developing a game right now, right? Like that uses Bluzelle, that you have to use their blockchain for, and their whole goal is gaming data storage, right? So like I don't know. I don't know everything, man. I don't know what they're doing on the inside there, but they definitely got things going for them. Maybe this is related to that. I don't know. Maybe we'll hear news about that soon. But for whatever reason, it's bouncing at its golden ratio zone. It's bouncing at previous areas of resistance and previous areas of support. It's looking phenomenal on this bullish divergence and hidden bullish divergence, right? And the targets are way higher than its current prices right now. So great time to get in. Vote of confidence. One of my personal bags that I hold. It's not my biggest bag, but it's definitely in my like top 5, top 6, and that's all I got to say. So if you guys like the video, hit that like button. Subscribe if you want to see more content like this. I will see you on the next one. Take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.